Hello friends, good morning. How are you today? I hope all of you are always in good condition. Welcome back to Computer Grade 5 learning video. Today we are going to talk about some function in Microsoft Excel. Okay, the use of some functions or formulation in Microsoft Excel. As we know that there are some functions or formulations in Microsoft Excel. They are used to ease people to do some mathematics countings. The examples of function or formulation are sum. It is used to count the amount of the data. And then average, it is used to count the average of the data. Mean, to find the lowest data. And max, to find the highest data. Actually, there are more function or formulation in Microsoft Excel, but you only need to know 4 of these formulations. They are sum, average, mean, and max. Okay, now we are going to discuss about sum first. Sum, I have the data like this. Look at the data here. I have the data like this, and then if I want to count this data using some formulation, so I have to write this one, sum, and then plot the data A1 until A6. Don't forget to use equal in the beginning of formulation, and then push enter, and the result will be like this. Now for average, I have the data like this, and I want to count the average of this data. I have to write down equal average and then plot all the data A1 to A6, and then push enter, and the result will be like this. Next, mean or minimum. Take a look for my data here, and I want to count the lowest data, so I have to type equal, mean, and the all data A1 to A6, and then push enter on your keyboard, and the result will be like this. The minimum or the lowest data is 10. And then for the max, I have the data like this. Look at the data here. And then I want to find the highest data, so I have to type equal max and then plot all the data A1 to A6, and then push enter on your keyboard, and the result will be like this. The highest data is 90. Okay, that's all for the video today. Thank you very much for your attention. See you on the next video, and goodbye friends.